Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Manik bersandera Kurniawan, I'm from BBIC. Grammar Interaction in Communicative Language Teaching Classroom Student Teacher Perception. Abstract. The aim of this study was to find out the teacher and student perception towards grammar instruction in communicative language teaching classroom. The participants of this study were 2 teachers and 4 students in all of Islamic Junior High School Palembang Madrasah. We used a case study method, the conduct of the research to identify teacher and student perception in teaching and learning grammar instruction in communicative language teaching classroom. The data were collected by using interview. The data were analyzed by using thematic analysis. The finding indicated, and there were 5 indicators on student teacher analysis. Perception 1. Grammar was a critical component in involving English skill. 2. Using classroom activities to promote communicated activities in the classroom. 3. Error correction of the Winston process to get students of material. 4. Teaching grammar instruction in ICT classroom. Teachers act motivated and facilitate all students need. 5. Students should take part of the process of learning. Introduction. Grammar is the language framework of the system of meaning. Every language seems to have a grammar, and persons speaking in similar language will communicate because of the naturally understand the grammar structure with the rules of meaning. According to Beston, language without grammar is not going to be messy with the harder understand language without looking of the basic framework. So grammar language will be impossible to learn effectively without following structural rules. They found the grammar plays a very important role in the study of language. The purpose of grammar is to educate those who use English to express their work property both of speaking and writing. Research by Azad indicated the grammar is an essential for the inseparable part of the language teaching. So the teacher have tended communicative activity of the teaching grammar instruction. It is a mean that is teaching English a foreign language is necessary to consider not only how learners acquire grammatical competence but also how they learn to communicate is how to develop communication competence. In the importance of teaching English grammar, a foreign language variable of method and approach have been applied of the ancient learning competence. Savage, Berger, and Prince. Of the 6 approaches, they have significant impact of grammar instruction, including natural approach, communicative of the college CIT, current of the teaching according to the Lopez involved of part of speech tense, sentence contraction, a teaching technique of the refers to several aspects of language, include of language of multiple purpose of the function of discerning between formal and informal oral and writing. Discourse based on the statement above can be stated that grammar should be taught in communicative language, which focus on developing that language perform the skill. Using TLT to teach grammar in the second language classroom in the effort to improve the student attitude towards language learning and to have positive effect of their learning process. Emphasis based on grammatical mistake of making grammar error has negative impact on student. Those are related to finding of the conducted by Nukava. On his study, he revealed of students feel bored when learning English grammar because make them confused of the lazy learn. Further weaken one of the providing Europe with standardized program for language teaching. Proposed a national syllabus where did not the organize in the syllabus term grammatical structure, directly define of the learn needed to interact with other. Language learning although communication not mechanical, present of grammatical form. The use of TLT teaching grammar second language classroom is mean of changing of attitude learn to language learning positive influence their way of learning. Furthermore, lesson of Freeman and Richard Roger has Harmut described the principle of CLT approach that can be summarized as follow: communicative competence and primary of the authentic material are used to encourage students to the language. The language learning by trial and error, students mostly work in pairs. A small group grammar is the board learning through of communication. Teachers have a role of facilitator and monitor, often student negotiation and individually responsible to make themselves understand and understood of the process communication. From the statement, it can be concluded that using the CLT profit the student repetition according and memorizing grammar patterns. But the demand of the student to negotiate meaning of the connect meaningfully in foreign language, although teachers need to exercise in the CLT classroom that enable students to learn well in target language. The changing of teaching culture of the student-centered by cause of the CLT approach also broke the change of the concept how to teach. Moreover, Tom Browne discussed of the two primary kind of the approach to teaching grammar in CLT. The shallow end of the approach. The shallow approach involves the grammar in a way so we can define the inductive or call of the letter. The deep of the approach of CLT concern of impact of the grammar communicative. The concept of the without any professor and expert teaching, so teaching grammar in communicatively mean help to student have the behavior to teaching impact grammar in help CLT classroom, but in contrast a few of them do not think of effective. Teaching believe in expression grammar teaching active and their belief of the influenced by their experience. In the same way, according to them, teacher perception and divided process of opinion understanding toward an object based on their experience. The adoption of CLT in Indonesian language teaching curriculum has gone through several change and development. Rahman state of the curriculum in Indonesian usually of called as curriculum approach to implement not only popularity CLT keep interesting as many teachers applied of the concept CLT in the classroom. From the previous related studies of the English and CLT, a research study was conducted to find of the teacher perception in English grammar instruction in communicative language teaching classroom. Literature review. The concept of communicative language in communicative in teaching of approach to language teaching. This approach was found of approach to language system of communication, not just a set of rules. Illustrated in place of traditional language is teaching grammar and teaching approach the amply communicative between research and concept. CLT describe of the general principle of grounded the communicative content of goal of second foreign language teaching. A new approach has evolved towards our understanding on the process of second language learn have developed. From the definition above, it can be concluded on the communicative language teaching is language teaching of imparted interaction as a concept of mean and final of aim language learning. Role of student teacher of English in CLT. Communicative language is teaching in breadth of the student. Teaching no longer overall activity that involve the repetition, accuracy of memorizing of sentence. They require students to communicate in context and communicate meaningfully of foreign language as Oxford proposed the important for active development and new language. In addition, Brin and Cannon of Richard and Roger describe of the role of learner in CLT declared toward themselves. The process of learning and objective of learning, combination of the interesting to role negotiation both in the group and classroom activities. In CLT, students expand of support classroom activities to students are recommended to pair of small group of peers. They perform various tests of the target language for numbers from the statement. It can be concluded the CLT allows students to interact with the other learners or rather than teacher and working to pair in the small group on effective method to boost student communicative ability. Methodology, recognition of participant and local of the study. This study used the integrated case study method of the weak college data. Well, this study of the qualitative approach in the of the study explored through on work or more courses of the involving multiple sources of the information. We used the integration and case study because of the study design was focused on the case itself, the expression of the usual of technique of situation. The study was conducted on Islamic High School in Palembang. We choose English teacher and student of the 9th grade at MTS2 in Palembang by using proposition by sampling information and the most detailed information to help research and work of the research question. Data collection and analysis. In the research of the student find out the teacher of the student perception in grammar interpretation of the communicative language teaching. We use the interview of other gain information about teacher and student perception for toward grammar interaction of the communicative language teaching classroom of the analysis of data teacher of student perception towards grammar interaction in communicative language teaching classroom. The data from the interview we analyze the dependent information about the teacher and student perception through grammar interaction in communicative language teaching classroom. After we collected the data, we analyze the data by the to make the sure finding with capable. Define of the validating in the research, evaluate actually or the capability of the research, drop them some techniques such as remember, checking, or triangulating. Finding the data gathered for interview we analyze by using thematic analysis. The description on the finding we explain as follow. Teacher application perception. After analyzing the data from interview, we found of the one some teacher perception for the towards grammar interaction in communicative language teaching. The terms of code gathered for the analysis of quality data obtained by interview is explained in table 1. The importance of grammar. A. The teacher agreed of the grammar was a critical component in improving teaching skill. B. The teacher perceptive and explained grammar instruction were helpful in a CLT classroom. 2. The teacher agreed of the impact of the teaching of classroom. The role of the contribution of a student in the learning process. A. In a English between tasks and activities must be balance of student not only mastering of the theory of the proportion of the theory. The importance of grammar. Based on the data obtained for the interview, we got some detailed perception about the grammar inserted in communicative language teaching. We found that most of the teachers agreed with the grammar was a critical component in the improving student skill on ICT. It because grammar is very helpful for the student improving English language teacher. I said yes, if the student will know of the grammar in English, they will be have good communication in English interview. The data obtained by interview will always show what the grammar in teaching grammar a clear aspect of the communicative in the teaching, such as introduction grammar pen, observe the example an activity which help the student make a later server can also engage student to motivation. Classroom activities. Based on the data obtained from interview, it found the perception toward grammar instruction on the communicative language teaching. We found the most of the teacher agreed that in learning process in group break of the design promote communication in the classroom. However, all of the teachers also implying group work being able to interaction activity before the student or provide the teacher and are better to make the more lively in the group discussion and motivate the student opportunity to explore themselves. Quality and quantity of error correction. Based on data on interview, we found the most of the targeted error correction was on the process to create student in mastering material. However, the teacher also did not feel angry because the student make a grammatical error. The teacher to claim the error of mistake in communicating in English installing none of the if the student make a mistake in learning process, so we ask the teacher of meeting the correct. The data obtained from interview also showed by the most teacher of the blame correction error of the mistake on application for teacher. The effort of the teacher should be immediate from the correction feedback for student. Teacher one claimed correction grammar mistake of the application in interview teacher but in a good way without an estimate but in the student. The role of teacher in the classroom. Data obtained for interview showed of the teaching grammar interaction in communicative language teaching of the teacher as a motivator in the teaching of learning process. The teacher will claim yes because all the teacher data also as a motivator in the teaching learning process. However, we also found of the teacher of the student to take responsibility and self-discipline to develop the activity. Teacher to set training learning to take the role and the contribution of student of learning process. The data obtained from the interview will also reflect by the teaching grammar instruction in CLD classroom should be balanced in teaching English between the activities must be balance of the teaching English language. Student should not only mastering the theory but also perceiving the theory. Teacher to express it. If student of course of they will still giving and practice should be in balance. The student perception toward grammar instruction is communicative language teaching. After analyzing the data of interview, we found that the student perception towards grammar communicative language teaching of the is in the table 2. No one. After impression grammar, student was very important for the student of the or English 2. Consider the student of the grammar factor core of English 3. Quality of the error water and considered for the goal of teaching classroom teacher learning study group. 5. The goal of contribution method to the learning process. The teacher facilities of the student need the student to part of the of learning. The importance of grammar. Based on the data obtained from the interview, we found that some student perception about grammar instruction in communicative language teaching classroom. We found that most of students concentrate in grammar important part in English student 1 and 3. Said yes because grammar important is matter in English language. Then student 2 had same opinion. They said because English grammar with we can communicate it with the French easier. Classroom activities based on obtained for interview with some of perception toward grammar interaction will communicative language teaching in learning process. I found that most of the students agree with the using method in the faster appropriate way to develop knowledge quickly. The student one study yet is more understanding finishing interview with the speaking more comfortable with the same opponent they said in the can we know but I don't know before. Quality and quantity error correction. Based on the data from interview, we found that most of students agreed by the student correction and error consequent by helpful, successful communicative language tension that as I said. because the learner can now back to error. And student too important because by correction learner found the mistake and can correct them. Error clearly, so I don't know how to fix my mistake. However, the student too also did not do fault. But when the teacher correction of the mistake as the student reset, I often made the grammar mistake when speaking English, but my teacher correct it is a good way. The role in the classroom. Data of the free found the student perception toward the role of teacher teaching grammar instruction in communicative language teaching classroom. Students agree with the teaching of the classroom independent with the learning teaching by give motivation to the student. The teacher of facilitate of student. Need the student claim that the teacher don't much of a control the student clarity of the lesson. Then to set teacher motivation and the three students also said the teacher should be facilitate of the student needs. The last one with the teacher for a good teacher explain the material technology. The role contribution of student in learning process. Data gathered from interview the referral of contribution of student in the learning process. The student with the perceive and the student should do the part of the process of learning. In addition, the student also agree with the contribution of the learning in example of 21 active to learn how ready to explain the check interview with the student yet to pressure understand the discussion. After analyzing the data by using semantic analysis, it found several information about the check and student perception toward gaming interaction in communicative language teaching classroom. The content of A. Importance of gamer. B. Classroom activities. C. Quality of quantity of error correction. D. The role of the check in classroom. The role of the communication will allow student learning process differ explained, but the third factor was described as following. For the more information, the order factor was the important was the info gamer, what of the teacher of the student example of the gamer of important in the information in the classroom. It was because the gamer was very helpful for the student improving English language. The finding of the support by Azad in his study, he found the teacher of the label gamer by essential comments of the language and the gamer within communicative language. And found the results of the most teacher of fellow teacher gamer work meaningful communicative language still. However, the student also conducted the game intention important part of English language study support by Biratna and the result of the student important than game they assume by learning game they can measure their English abilities. The second was classroom activities. It was designed to develop friendship in change of the classroom interaction and perhaps increasing motivation. The funding intended on the teacher agree at the classroom process group work and pair work to listening to promote communication in the classroom. So the teacher had provided the learner with opportunity to enjoy meaningful interaction beside the classroom of the first stack and provided for the way to knowledge quickly. This finding is supported by Egan Kouchak with the learning of the description meaning a word of make sentence and press. In addition, work of the fall and the material tension which student will activity actually reduce anxiety in case COVID and encourage the student to write a new language. The third quality of quantity of error is the teacher can use the convey message into the contribution will on the incorrect this quantity of clearing the finding of the one of product to get them the material of correction and error or mistake with the obligation that teacher the data of the number interview and also the most of the learner agree with that the correction and error has been considered to be helpful in achievement successful prefer using recharge repeating of student comment or the error with the correct of the deal with error on the hand and Katayama claimed the student wanted to error again correction to the improve the accuracy in English. The focus of the role teaching in classroom teaching language interaction in communicative language teaching is the one motivated in the teaching learning process is the role also one of the teacher in the discipline. With the learning and teaching give contribution of for the teacher credit or to the as one data participating and applying a project of the strategy to bring the personality into the teaching and encourage good teaching, improve discussion, negotiation, be available for student and reliable search information for student when needed. The fifth part, the role contribution of student learning supports the result of our teaching game instruction difficulty classroom should be blended in English should not mastering of the bypassing with theory the finding of the argument without the English teaching dog be the younger should be the second part of the process of learning. The finding was supported by Nasia. She found that in this technique, the study again from important learning automatic in language learning is process. It enables learners become autonomous when they charge of their own learning. Conclusion. Based on the data analysis, using thematic analysis, it was found to detect student perception toward gaming interaction in communicative language teaching by the first the perception of one teacher of the profit of the teaching gaming CLT2 learning of the brain work instruction 3 Teach to the climate in the process error with the process materials causing mistake by only teacher. 4. Teacher perceive of the should indicator for teaching learning of collection with data. 5. In teaching gaming instructor by communicator bisa membuat atau the theory. Misalkan student perceive learning gaming in communicating language teaching of classroom 1. Student consider by gaming part of the should. 2. The student climate on English active the group active perceive by comfortable. 3. The learning student of the ECO has been considered helpful achievement such as communicative competence of the student did not fall debate when the teacher correction. 4. Student perceive in the teacher should be motivated to again to English language and explain material interesting. 5. Student agree that they should be taking part of the process of learning and following the learning process as well. The should family of the teacher should perceive in the game interacting and communicative language teaching because the moment of by knowing the teacher and student perception in teaching and communicative language. For information of time, the grammar is an important part of English language. So this study can inspire students to increase learning or interest to learning grammar. CLT classroom. So it was better for students to start using the communicative language of the way with the student to concept for interaction CLT classroom. Teacher should provide information classroom, promote communication of the classroom, the part should act motivation, teaching language process, encourage student opportunity and English because language is not mastering grammar but also dedicate student opportunity to practice English language. So possible we hope can be useful for the next research who are interested in achievement for information about teacher and student perception in game instruction in communicative language teaching. I think enough from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.